All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. I'm not sure what you guys missed. My system glitched out with OBS and it stopped recording, but basically, I was showing the possible entries during the open for when I wasn't home. You can see that there was a SMT at these highs with MQ and ES, which means that ES went above this high because they correlate, meaning if this is NQ, this is most likely ES. ES. They both kind of look the same. So in this scenario, with what a SMT shows is manipulation. We have this on the S&P with this high, but on, as you can see, MNQ, we have this. So we never take the high on MNQ. And then also we broke this 5-minute low with a wick, meaning that we could continue lower. We have equal lows down here. And then on the 30-second time frame, we get that break of structure inside of here, entering in off of this imbalance higher up, and then stop loss above the high. That went for all the way down to a 5R before we started pushing back to the upside. You see, well, actually 6R. And so now we have a SMT down here at the lows, which is what I based part of this trade off of. And I don't just use SMTs. If y'all have been here for a while, you know that I mainly use structure. So I think we're definitely going to go down and take these lows. I'm going to remain at break even. I'm going to hold just in case we just bounce from inside of here, create a base, and then push up. Or we may have a strong push, push up, correction, strong push, and then we sweep all of these lows. I'm just going to stay at break even, and I'm going to let price do its thing. You can see we're sweeping higher on the 15-minute. We did go up right here and we went up again. So my expectation is that we're going to go down to potentially go up again, taking this as our liquidity. And we also have an order block right here, the last down candle before the up move. And then we have, our buy or where we want to sell all the way up here. I may sell it right here. It just depends on what the market does. And I'm going to have to get off of the computer soon, so I may close out of a position or two. Or I may just let them run and check on them later. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to let them run and check on them later. So finishing off the video, you can see that we actually caught the perfect, almost the perfect buy today. And yeah, I saw that we initially got a break of structure right here on the 5-minute from this low to this high. But I know there's still, strong sellers in here. So once we ended up sweeping the lows right here, it gave me a little more confidence with kind of the equal lows that we would continue to the upside just based off the strength of this right here. And then we started closing above that moving average, which obviously was even better. And then we had TP1 right here. And ultimately we hit full TP, which was kind of up here. So that was a beautiful trade. We also had, I think, a SMT at the lows right here, which gave me another confluence that we were going to continue to the upside. So I think it was right, where was it at? Because price is all, okay, there we go. I think it was right here. It might have been like right here or right here. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys that the trade looked something like this. I'm sure you guys were there. I just I'm thinking some people weren't there, but yeah, y'all were there. And we TP'd right around here. So that was like a 3R trade on some of the accounts. Some of them I got stopped out for at break even around here when price ended up bouncing back down. So that was on MNQ act technically. So when price ended up bouncing back down, I ended up getting stopped out at break even on a few accounts right around here because I expected a reaction out of here to potentially make us head back lower. But we ended up supporting this area and continuing straight up. That's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys probably tomorrow.